You can access the SAS AP online system from the TGA website by typing SAS into the search tool. The top result will take you to the SAS and AP online system page, which contains information about accessing and using the online system, and there are links to further guidance and information at the bottom of the page. Scroll down and click on the blue SAS and AP online system button. This will take you to the online portal. Registration and login. To use the tool, you first need to register an account. Click Register Now on the top right and fill in the required fields on the new page. You'll need to create a username and unique password. All passwords automatically expire after 90 days, and you will be prompted to create a new one. Click Register. You'll receive an email with an activation link. Click this link and follow the steps to activate your account. Once your account is set up, click Login to get to the system login page and enter your username and password. When you're logged in, you'll be taken to the SAS home page. SAS AP Submission Validation Tool for Pharmacists. You can use the SAS and AP Submission Validation Tool to check real-time information about submissions. The TGA status and key information will be displayed upon entering a valid submission number. From the SAS homepage, select SAS AP Submission Validation on the right of the navigation bar. In the Submission Number box, enter the TGA reference number which may have been provided by the patient with their prescription or directly from the prescriber. For SAS applications and notifications, the details displayed will include submission details, such as the scheme and category, the status and key dates, the patient details, prescriber name and registration number, and product details and indication for use. Authorized prescriber submissions can also be validated. In the Submission Number box, enter the TGA reference number. The details displayed will include application details such as status and key dates, prescriber name and registration number, and product details and the indication for use. The correct submission number format must be entered to return any results. If not, then an error message will be displayed. If the correct submission number does not return any results, please contact the prescriber. Prescribers have 28 days to submit SAS A and C notifications to the TGA. This means that it may not appear in the portal when the prescription is first written, but should be present for subsequent dispensing of repeats. We hope this demonstration has been helpful. Contact Help. The TGA Special Access section can help with all portal inquiries. Please send an email to sas.support@health.gov.au with the information listed below. Full first and last name, username, email address linked to the account, and a screenshot of the issue. The team will review the issue you are having and respond within 3 business days.